water in that.
Next?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, guts.
We woke up to smoke this morning. It's just, this is how it is this time of year. This is actually, we're just getting into fire season, and in the area we live, a lot of times during the summer, it's just smoky from wildfires. So we are pouring concrete this morning, late morning, around 11, and that's for the retaining wall step, the forms that I built. And for that, I just have to change water and get a few things done around here. Are they out?
They're out.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
So is this the
I
glaze?
still have it.
Yeah.
Okay, I want some.
So it's only maple syrup, arrowroot powder, and some fake butter.
Nice.
I really want some.
It's for you, darling
Happy
dearest.
birthday.
Wow.
Happy birthday to
It's not my
you.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
But it is an exciting day. Ooh, it's still so soft, too. Mmm.
Here.
Well placed. Well, the people who knew what they were doing have just left us. But we got it pretty much sorted here. So it's all troweled out and it looks really nice. Edges are all rounded over. But we're gonna let it set up a little more, and then my job is to broom it. So I'm just gonna use this household broom and give it that broomed texture to match the slab, and it gives it a nice finished look, but also makes it grippy. Maybe I can try to feather it in a little bit.
That's looking good.
Well, I'm gonna call that a success. Forms came off pretty easily and it looks great. There's one spot back here that's I'm calling a little rustic. When the concrete was first coming out, the concrete wasn't quite at the right consistency yet. It was really gravelly, still really rocky. This side turned out really great, but it kind of accentuates the fact that that side is not so great. But you know what? It is solid and it looks really straight and flat, so I'm really happy about that. So yeah, we've got a retaining wall now.